The NHS Digital Staff Passport is designed to help NHS staff keep their employment, education and training details at their fingertips, reducing admin and resulting in faster and easier movement between NHS trusts, freeing up more time for patient care. The Digital Staff Passport is a service that holds essential information including pre-employment checks, core skills training and health information. When staff move between NHS trusts, the required information can be quickly and securely transferred, reducing repetition of checks, training and duplicate form filling. Staff costs and rota gaps will be reduced by enabling staff to start work sooner, with less dependency on agency workers and easier rota management. The latest version of the Passport focuses on two key staff groups. The first group are temporary movers, who remain employed by their existing employer and will deliver services at another NHS trust for an agreed period. The second group are postgraduate doctors in training, who rotate between trusts as part of their training programme. The long-term vision for the NHS Digital Staff Passport is for all NHS staff to have the option to use this service in the future. NHS staff will hold their information on the Digital Staff Passport on their mobile phone and manage their account via an online employee portal. The Passport service will also support recruitment, occupational health and education teams to process the moves. Each NHS trust using the Passport service will manage the onboarding process via their employer portal. There are 5 simple steps to using the NHS Digital Staff Passport. Step 1. Registration. When ready to implement the digital-first approach, NHS trusts are invited to register. The trust will nominate members of their recruitment team to administer and maintain their employer portal. Step 2. Requesting access. For temporary movers, once they've agreed a temporary work placement, they can request access to the service from the recruitment team. For postgraduate doctors in training, once they know which NHS trust they're rotating to, they'll receive an email invitation or use a link in their starter pack from their NHS Trust recruitment team to access the Digital Staff Passport service. Step 3. Creating a digital identity. Digital Passport users have a choice of attending a face-to-face appointment for identity checks, or they can create a digital identity through government-certified identity service providers. The Certified Identity Service app allows the staff member to provide information such as their passport and facial recognition in order to digitize their identity. They can then share this digital identity with their NHS employer to enable a more streamlined approach for identity checks. Once recruitment have verified the staff member's identity, an access key to log into the Digital Staff Passport service will be issued. Step 4. Credentials. A credential is an achievement, quality or aspect of a person's background. NHS trusts can issue credentials such as employment checks, training and occupational health to the staff member through the NHS Digital Staff Passport. Once logged into their employee portal, the staff member can request and share credentials from the recruitment, educational or occupational health team. Step 5. Verification and induction. When the staff member receives the necessary credentials, they'll be able to complete the required verification and induction and gather equipment to start work. For further information, please visit the NHS Digital Staff Passport's website.